What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's Tiana and I'm here to show you how I fixed this stained lace. Look at that. Like, I did that watercolor and I was like, oh no ma'am, I can't. So let me show you how I fixed it. First, you want to take Color Oops Extra Strength. You can get this from Walgreens, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. So I grabbed that, and these are the 2 steps to it. I'm only doing a closer, so I didn't use too much, but you can definitely save the rest for if you have another mishap. But I just poured a little bit of 1 and 2 together, and I mixed it. And that's me just kind of mixing it up. So now I'm going in on my closure with a very light hand. You don't need a lot at all. I just want to get this on the lace. I don't even want it on the hair on the other side. So I'm going in very lightly and taking my time doing this. And you'll see in a second that it spreads like really easily. So it's not that hard to get it all over the lace. But let me be very transparent with y'all. Let me be real with y'all real quick. I've been doing wigs for a very long time. Also, I would like to say that I'm, pretty good at what I do. But in my bio on Instagram, if you go to my bio, it says growing and learning with every unit. Nobody is perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. I've been doing wigs since I was in high school. I am about to graduate college this year. I make mistakes, and that's fine. And this is a part of the process that people don't want to show you. I'm going to keep it real with y'all. Everything is not perfect. Everything doesn't go the right way the first time. Like, as long as you know how to bounce back and fix your mistakes, you're good. Like, I just want y'all to understand that when you're doing hair or whatever your passion is, like, everything's not going to be perfect. And this is the beauty of it. You can show people how to fix it if they have this mishap. So this is really why I wanted to do this video, because I think it's a lot of people out here trying to be perfect and trying to be that girl. No, girl, I make mistakes, and y'all are definitely going to see them. So this is why I wanted to do this video, to keep it real with y'all. This is not going to be no picture perfect channel. This is me, and this is life, and this is what happened. But your girl fixed it, so keep watching to see how I did that. And now I'm dragging the color Oops all the way up the lace, just to make sure I get every part that's red that don't need to be red. So now I'm checking to make sure I got everything. And this is real strong, y'all, so wear a mask if you can, because I was dying. But now I'm just checking to make sure that I didn't get anything on the hair, and as you can see, I did not. Just checking over my work, and then I'm going to let it sit for 15 minutes. Came back after 15 minutes, and look at that, y'all. All that red gone. Like, I was so excited. I was like, ooh. So now this is me rinsing it out, and I'm just let y'all watch me rinse it out. I use neutralizing shampoo and silicone mix conditioner, and I want y'all to see this before and after, so just keep watching. I just let it sit with that silicone mix for about 15-20 minutes while I cleaned up and everything. And look at that! Y'all, like, I was too excited. Do you see what I see? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.